Introducing the all-new 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R, a perfect fusion of race-bred DNA, street-friendly comfort, and aggressive styling. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the GSX-8R commands attention with its aerodynamic full-fairing, stacked LED headlamps, and a sharp silhouette that reflects Suzuki's legacy of performance and precision. Painted in a bold Triton blue, it echoes the spirit of MotoGP while staying true to the needs of everyday riders. Underneath its sleek skin lies a 776cc parallel twin engine, liquid-cooled, torque-rich, and engineered for versatility. Whether you're slicing through city streets or carving corners on mountain roads, this engine delivers smooth, responsive power with a thrilling growl that stirs your soul. The ride is elevated further with a Showa SFFBP inverted front fork and rear monoshock, offering superb stability and feedback. A bidirectional quick shifter ensures seamless gear changes, making accelerations smooth and intuitive. The riding position is balanced, aggressive enough for weekend track fun, yet upright enough for daily commutes. Step onto the cockpit, and you're greeted by a full-color TFT display, showing everything from speed and RPMs to gear position and ride modes. The GSX-8R also includes advanced rider aids like traction control and ABS, giving you confidence in all conditions. Every angle, every surface, and every component of this bike is crafted for those who crave performance without compromising comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or stepping into the world of sport bikes, the 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R promises to thrill, press, and inspire, a true street weapon with a race soul. Showa truly sets the 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R apart is its balance between cutting-edge technology and rider-focused simplicity. While its rivals may chase extremes, the GSX-8R stays grounded in what riders actually need: precision, control, and excitement in every ride. Its lightweight chassis ensures nimble handling, while the refined electronics suite enhances safety without overwhelming the rider. Whether you're gliding through weekend twisties, commuting through traffic, or simply enjoying the roar of its twin-cylinder power plant, the GSX-8R delivers a consistently exhilarating experience. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of Suzuki's commitment to intelligent performance and real-world usability. The 2026 GSX-8R isn't built just to look fast, it's built to be ridden hard. Every single day is adding to its appeal. The 2026 Suzuki GSX-8R also embraces modern connectivity and customization for today's tech-savvy riders. With smartphone integration through the TFT display, you can easily access turn-by-turn navigation, manage calls, and monitor bike stats in real time. The ergonomics are designed with long-distance comfort in mind, featuring a well-cushioned split seat, optimized wind protection from the sculpted fairing, and adjustable levers to suit different riding styles. Whether you're commuting to work, hitting the canyons on the weekend, or touring across states, the GSX-8R adapts seamlessly to your journey. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a reliable companion that offers performance, comfort, and intelligent features, all wrapped in Suzuki's unmistakable racing spirit.